Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bev and I'm back with another planner related video. If this is your first time here, welcome. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way anytime I post a video, you will know. So it's time for my faith plan with me for the week, guys. I'm going to be using some florals from the Flowers sticker book. Of course, this from Ben Barnally, the Love one-page sticker kit, and I have some dolls and things that I want to put on the page. But today I'm adding in my other faith planner because I just want to get back into the habit of using both of them. And for that spread I will be using this sticker kit from Ben Barnally and Gaddy, of course, and some other things. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start the video. I have some green washi tape that I want to use, so I'll get started laying that down. And of course I don't have my X-Acto knife because that's just how I roll. So I'm gonna use my ruler, which is fine. Uh-oh. And everything. So I'm not gonna really talk much. Just enjoy the video. this is the spread for my Bible study planner, and I'm just going to switch planners and do my devotional planner. And for this one, like I showed you, I have some peach looking washi. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it yet, but we will see. So I'm gonna just get started with this one. Okay, so there you have it. This is the spread for my devotional planner, and this is the spread for my Bible study, Bible scripture writing planner. So, thank you guys for joining me. If you made it this far and you enjoyed my video, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Again, my name is Beverly, and the channel is She Loves Planners and Crafting, and I'll be seeing you guys again soon. Bye!